The Billy Pugh Company would like to introduce the new world standard in personnel transfer devices, the X-904. After years of research and product development, this device incorporates features suggested by all levels of the offshore industry and eliminates features the industry found undesirable. The result, we believe, is the safest and most innovative offshore transfer device on the market today. Billy Pugh transfer devices have been the industry standard for many years, and the X-904 incorporates design improvements which set it apart from the others. Let's examine the three main features. Study has revealed that many personnel transfer riders are uncomfortable when strapped into a transfer device in a manner which prevents a quick exit. Proper man positioning on the X-904 is accomplished with a quick release clip, providing the rider the ability to instantly exit the device. While the system does not provide the rider fall protection, it is an added safety feature should the rider slip, faint, or become ill. During development of the X-904, members of the offshore industry expressed concerns regarding tools or other objects which might fall on personnel during transfer. As a result, a metal top is incorporated in the design to furnish the rider with protection against such occurrences. Perhaps the most important feature of the X-904 is its ability to protect passengers in the event of a collision or side impact. The outer rigging of the device is constructed from a stainless steel cable covered with double braid nylon, which has been dipped in polyurethane. As the center pole is tightened, the rigging becomes rigid, forming a barrier between the rider and any obstructions or obstacles that might be encountered during transfer. Riding the X-904 is similar to riding other personnel nets. An important part of any offshore personnel transfer is the ability to quickly egress from the device if necessary. The X-904's man positioning system provides the rider with a high degree of confidence during transfer. To ride the X-904, approach the device and place any hand luggage into the netted baggage area. Take hold of the outer rigging ropes just as you would on any personnel net and step into the X-904. Position your feet as indicated and clip in. Although the quick release clips do not ensure fall protection, they stabilize positioning and increase the confidence of riders who may be uncertain. Boarding the X-904 on the stable surface of a rig or a platform is a simple matter. Boarding from a vessel in rough seas may require that the crane operator raise the device slightly to eliminate the pitch and roll of the deck and permit the rider to attach the quick release clip. During transfer, hold on to the center ropes of the X-904 and keep the quick release lanyard in one hand. When departing from the X-904, one quick tug on the lanyard will open the stainless snap and allow the rider to step away to a safe area. Old-style transfer baskets are not rigid, and absent cable tension from the crane, they will simply collapse on the deck. During a transfer, when the basket touches down, the crane operator slacks the cable more so that the net, although partially collapsed, remains on the deck. In rough seas, the rise and fall of the deck will cause the slack net to flop about. The X-904's rigid construction will keep the unit upright when it touches down and allow the crane operator to slack the cable more. In rough seas, this is an important feature. Once on the deck, the unit is very stable. 85% of the X-904's weight is below the center line, providing a low center of gravity and good resistance to overturn. Although riders on any personnel transfer device should always keep their knees bent to help absorb any landing shock, the X-904 has 4 shock absorbers on the underside, designed to reduce such impact. Should it ever be required, The X-904's flotation equipment will keep the basket afloat. During this presentation, we have been viewing the 4-man version of the X-904. The unit is also available in 2 larger sizes with increased capacities of either 6 or 8 passengers. The X-904 can easily accommodate the transfer of sick or injured personnel via stretcher without any changes or modifications of the device. Injured personnel should be secured in a Stokes stretcher, and the stretcher should be secured to the X-904 with safety shackles at each end. At least one person should accompany the injured person during the transfer. When the transfer is complete, release the shackles and lift the stretcher out of the X-904. For many years, the Pugh Co. has been an industry leader in providing the offshore community with a full line of premium safety equipment. We believe that the introduction of the X-904 serves to further confirm our long-standing commitment to quality.